Hi everybody, this is our WOW 3D printer. Our WOW 3D printer uses plastic straws to print. This is how it works. The straw feeder will feed straws from this tube to the printer. We built a straw sensor to detect straws in this tube using rotation sensor from gear up. We enter coordinates for our printing model. We use web plotter to transfer image into coordinates and then load the coordinate files into the printer. The infantry brain will interpret XYZ coordinates into degrees for each motors. The motors move the glass bed. The extruder motor will extrude plastic straws into the heater and melts it at 220 Celsius. It melts 1 mm diameter plastic on the glass bed as it moves along XYZ coordinates. 3D printer will print layer over layer on plastic. One layer of plastic will melt the two layers together, forming a strong bond of plastic. Eventually, it will form a 3D printed model. For safety purpose, we have installed a safety shield and a fume gas exhaust. As you can see, this is our printed board. Thank you.